Hello, gorgeous! Hello, gorgeous! For today's video, I'm doing step-by-step makeup tutorial under 4 minutes video. And now, I'm using Long Wear Glow Foundation from KKV. It's a Babrea. And then, for my lipstick, I'm using Passion 21 Pink Lipstick with my favorite brush lipstick. And for my upper lash line, I'm using Badass Liquid Liner from Ready Set Glow. Grabe, ang sobrang ganda nito. Mas maganda siya. And this is for my cream contour for my nose lining. Yan. Perfect for my nose lining. This is my favorite contour. This palette cream contour from KKV. And for my cheek, contour cheek, and then the upper. Yeah, then get some my highlighter. Yes, it's highlighter for my nose line. And then blend from the perfect blending. And then shading my eyebrow. Yes, then. And of course, the more pigmented for my lips. Then highlighter again. And then using my different my eyeshadow, my palette. And now, I'm creating a light Aegusal lower eyes makeup. Actually, I have a trivia for this. This Aegusal came from Korean. So this famous Korean eye makeup beauty standard. O, di ba? May pa-trivia pa tayo. Wow! So, doon nag-start yun. Para kunyari, manikin-manikin, yan. Yan yung uso ngayon eh. Mga Aegusal. It's a puffy fat lower eyes. Aegusal. Yan, Korean peg with matching brown and creamy for the lower eyes. And of course, for the perfect combination for my Aegusal is a white eyeliner for looking big eyes. Yes. Siyempre, hindi magiging maganda and Korean peg ang Aegusal natin kung walang eyelashes. Perfect. And now, blend. And now, we use a wet cream blush on the cheek. Yes, that's a wet cream blush on. It's perfect. Then blend. And add some glitters, powder glitters and now, lastly, this is my favorite part. My favorite Tibian Star Balm. Grabe, favorite ko pa to. Sobrang favorite ko. Apakabango niya. Parang sa sobrang bango niya, gusto ko na siyang kainin. For example, may crush ka, tapos nakapagbeso-beso kayo. Grabe, mapapawaw siya sa sobrang bango ng face mo. Yes, of course, this is my favorite. And now, aura-aurahan muna tayo. And the winner is Philippines! Siyempre, charot lang yan. And now, here's the final look. So, mga ka-gorgeous, that's my mini short makeup tutorial for today. And always remember, you deserve to look gorgeous. See ya! Thank you for watching!